Hello and welcome to another edition of Oypla TV. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to assemble one of our latest products, the home bicycle repair stand. Upon delivery, check your package carefully. You should find 5 main parts: the clamp, the tool tray, the legs of the stand, the extendable top section and the wheel stabiliser with 2 straps. Also included is an Allen key. To begin with, grab the bottom section or the legs of the stand, loosen the lowest quick release catch and push the legs downwards and outwards. Ensure the feet of the legs are folded out and sturdy to the ground. Next, loosen the top quick release catch and insert the extendable top section into the hole and slide it down to the desired height.
There's a fire between us. I can't get off the carousel. I can't get off this world.
Once that's done, tighten the quick release catch to hold it in place. Next, we need to loosen the large red screw on the extendable top section and insert the clamp into the hole. Once you've done that, rotate the clamp into the desired position and tighten the red screw to hold the clamp in place. The clamp also has a quick release feature which can be tightened for holding the bicycle firmly in place. To install the tool tray, grab both plastic components and line them up on either side of the lower part of the stand. Insert the bolts loosely through each hole and tighten them up with the Allen key. The wheel stabiliser has an adjustable length setting and can be attached anywhere on the lower or upper part of the stand to keep the wheels of the bicycle in place. The home bicycle repair stand is now available to order online at oypla.com.